Oh wow, you should have seen me hopping and jumping down that sheer boulder strewn root strutted trail. And here I ended up down here and face planted on this car-sized boulder. And these two girls, they offered to call lifesaver helicopter, but I figured it was all in my head. Sounded good though, didn't it? Had to walk the bike down. So here we are, almost, we're halfway down to the waterfall. This is the moss garden. Pretty neat. You can see those people way off down in the distance down there. I don't know where I'm gonna put my bike over here. I don't think he might mess with it right there. Alright. Walk on down. Come go with us. These shoes aren't the best with these cleats on them, but they're got a rugged sole. Pretty neat. You can see the bike for perspective. Hey, see the people down there. There's a guy to the right of the dead. Ooh, I rode up here from my house. Down there, piggy with me. Yeah. Oh, not too bad. Yeah. I mean, you know, I got to ride against the traffic. I won't do that. I got a press somebody from behind. Y'all have fun. But as I was saying, there's a guy standing with a dead log standing straight up. One top, right here where I'm pointing, right here. There's a guy standing right there underneath the waterfall, right where it gets wet. You can see him for kind of perspective on how far that is. It's a pretty big drop. Oh, look at here. Civilization with graffiti and tennis shoes hanging down from tree branch. And all those overhangs. This is a beautiful place. You can see the couple that I was just talking to. They're about halfway up. This is dead level right here, where I'm pointing. And you can see that angle. It's approaching 70 degrees. Anyway, let's see if we can walk up this way. I want to show you something over here. And pardon me, this might be a rather long video, but it's only putting on 4 minutes, and I'll speed it up here. But I want to get over here to the where the overhang starts. All right, we've got blue sky underneath us here right now. Blue sky, and then now I am underneath the overhang. And I'll get a panorama to my left. Oh, this is dead level. Just see the other side of the canyon over there, the rock cliff. The horseshoe starting, the waterfall falling down. There's that man, you can see him standing right underneath him. He's not down at the bottom by any means. And going back, there's more people. There's two girls came down with behind me. Another group around the fire pit. And here we go. This cemented sedimentary rock. Just amazing. See if I can get over to it You can see, to me, those round indentations, doesn't that look like water flow dynamic created that on the water flowing up to there? You see the waves, striations on that one right in front of me. This one here. All these cemented river rocks just go up, 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 and then there are these hornets' nests. And you create all these little microclimates, little seep right up there. And all these boulders here, this sedimentary rock. You can see the striations of this one. Wow. Just think at one time, this rock right here, most of these are quartz. There's gold in there. But that started out as some big, huge boulder, bigger than this thing right here at one time. It's cut and washed down into that little piece. How many millions of years did that take? Alright, I know I'm rambling, but bear with me. This place is pretty cool. Oh, there we are. I'm get down here and end the video, so I won't be in these people's business for now. I'll catch you back up later.